Guys, today I will show you how to install Red Hawk in your Kali Linux in Android. So first you make your terminal in the root. When you will get to the root, after that you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. You have to make your terminal update and upgrade. After making your terminal update and upgrade, you have to type apt install python. You have to install the Python language in your terminal, guys. You have to install the Python language. After that, and here you have to clone the Red Hawk in your terminal. So cloning process, you have to type get clone, and you will get the link in my Telegram channel, guys. So visit my Telegram channel. After that, copy there the link. After that, come to back in your terminal. After paste it here. After that, make enter. It will take some times. Yes guys, it's done. After that, make ls for the list and change directory, make cd. After search for the Red Hawk where it is. Okay, search it and copy it and paste it. Again make enter, clear your terminal. Again make ls for the list. After that, guys, we have to paste this one. We have to type php rhawk.php. After you making enter, you will see that your Red Hawk tool installed properly. In this video I will show only the installing video here, guys. So if you want a full practical video, you can join in my Telegram channel. You can see there the full practical video. So this video is only for education purpose, guys. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.